Hi, this is Basavaraj. In previous replace and translate functions, these are also Oracle inbuilt functions. In the interview, you will get this is the most common interview question like what is the difference between replace and translate function. So we'll see the syntax and how to deal with the replace and translate functions. The syntax about replace function, it is taking three inputs. One is main string and replacing string and replaced by string. So main string is the given string. So replacing string is in that main string you want to replace this particular string by what? By what is nothing but replaced by string. We'll see some of the examples for a replace function. Select replace. This is my main string. Basavaraj is my main string. So in this main string, wherever small letter b is there, I want to replace by capital B from dual. So what it will do, in the main string, it will check this particular B. So wherever B is there, it will replace it by capital B. See in the output, you can see wherever small letter b is there, you will get capital B. We'll see one more example. So I will check BA. So in the given string or in the main string, wherever BA is there, that will be replaced by capital B. So BA combination is here. So we will get BSA, VARAJ is the result. So wherever, so what I want to do, wherever Raj. So in the given string, wherever Raj is there, so I want to replace with capital B. Check it. So it will check that particular combination in the given string and replace with a replaced by string. That is the third argument. For example, so I don't have Raja. So this particular combination is not present in the given string. Then what it will do? If the given in the if you are replacing particular string, that particular string is not available in the given string, then what it will do, it will not replace anything, it will put as it is the main string, whatever it is, it will put the same thing. This is all about replace function. So we'll go with the now translate. So replace, what it will do, it will check that particular combination, and if it is available, then it will replace with the third argument. So if that combination is not available in the main string, then it will put as it is the main string. So how translate works? So translate, it will not check the combination. It is translating the character, character by character. For example, see, I will tell you the syntax first. As a replace function is taking three arguments or three inputs, even translate also takes three arguments. Translate, it is a main string. Translating character, char, translated by translated by char. So it is character by character replacement will happen in the translate function. In replace function, string replacement will happen. See now, for example, select translate. So this is my main string is Basavaraj. Okay, I want to replace, I want to translate A by 1 from GL. So what it will do, wherever A is there, it will translate it by A 1, means wherever 1 is there, it will replace with 1. See, wherever A is there, it is replaced by 1. Same thing. For example, BA. Okay, see, if you have a replace function, it will check this particular combination in the main string, but translate will not check this combination. So what it will do, take the first character and it will replaced by the first character in the third argument. So first B is replaced by 1. So for A, I don't have any character to replace. So it will not replace anything for the A. For the B, it will replace by 1. See, wherever B is there, it will replace by 1. For A, I don't have anything. So it will this particular character will be removed from the main string. See, so B is replacing by 1, and after that A is there, but for A I don't have any character to replace, so this particular character will be removed. So after that S is there, this particular character will be removed. So in this way translate will work. For example, we'll see some more examples. Translate something Basavaraj RAG, and third argument is 1 2 3 from here. So how it work? So first is R is replaced by 1 in the main string. Wherever A is there, it is replaced by 2 in the main string. Wherever J is there, that is replaced by 3 in the main string. See, wherever R is there, it will be replaced by 1. Wherever A is there, that is replaced by 2. Wherever J is there in the main string, that is replaced by 3. See. So because first time B is there, B, and wherever A is there, that is replaced by 2, and wherever J is there, that is replaced by 3. So character by character replacement will happen in the translate function. So string replacement will happen in the replace function. This is the main two difference for the replace and translate function. So if you need some more videos for other concept, please subscribe to my video. Thank you.